Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to configure Mail on your iPhone. So to get started, what we suggest that you do is contact our support department and ask for your mail server. And that's something that will be very important in this process. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by just clicking on the settings tab here. And then what you would do is you would scroll down to mail. So I'm going to go ahead and click on mail here. And then you'll notice a section here called accounts, and that's what you'd click on. So from here, you would click on add account, and then you would select other from the options available. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and click on add mail account. And then you would just go ahead and proceed with entering in your first and last name. And then the email address that you want to set up, I'm going to go ahead and set up this test account here. And then you would enter in the password for the email account, of course. Okay, and then under host settings, this is where you'd enter in the mail server that the support team provided you with. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in mine here. Okay, and then it's going to ask for your username that is required, and that's just your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and re-enter my email address here. Okay, and then you'll notice that the password's already populated. And then the outgoing mail server, that's the same as the incoming. So I'm going to go ahead and re-enter that here. And then where it says username and password, it says optional. This is actually not optional, it's required. So you would enter in the same information that you have above. And then you do want to make sure that there are no typos or anything like that. And then we'll go ahead and enter in the password. And this is just a dummy account that I'm just using for this video. This is not an actual email address that we use regularly, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And you'll notice that it's configuring it as an IMAP, which is what you want. We suggest that you use IMAP for your iPhone, and then for your computer, you should use a POP account, because what that does is it will remove email from the server, a POP configuration. Well, IMAP is important to have it configured this way for your phone because it stores your email on the server. Okay, you'll notice that everything checked out properly, and now you're just ready to click save, and now your account's configured. So we'll go back to the home screen here, and I'm going to go ahead and click mail, and then we'll click on the new account that we set up here. And then you'll notice that we have some messages here. And then we always suggest just sending out a quick test message. And I'm going to send this to our support team. So that email address is just help@buildyoursite.com. I'm going to type in a quick message or a subject here. And shouldn't have any problem sending out as long as your mail server is configured and you set it up properly based off of these instructions. Okay, so that went out. It's actually in our outbox right now. Should take a second here before it goes out. Okay, now it's gone out. And that's really all you need to do. Thanks again.